case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1995 case, the Supreme Court of Wyoming heard a dispute about a social guest injured by a faulty staircase in a leased residential home. The guest, Ortega, sued the landlord Flaim, claiming that the landlord had a duty to repair the defect and warn of or avert the danger. The lower court granted summary judgment in favor of the landlord, citing the general rule of landlord immunity from liability. Ortega appealed the decision, arguing for the landlord's duty of care and an implied warranty of habitability based on their oral agreement. On the other hand, the landlord questioned whether they owed a duty of care and if the social guest established causation. The court ruled that the common law rule applied in this case and affirmed the summary judgment. Under this rule, a landlord owes no duty to a tenant's social guest unless injury results from a latent defect or the landlord has retained control. The court found that no duty was owed to Ortega, and as a result, there was no legal basis for recovery in Wyoming.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.